Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi with kimchi paste. First, gather your ingredients: fresh napa cabbage, a good quality kimchi paste, and some salt. Begin by preparing your cabbage. Cut the napa cabbage into 2-inch pieces, ensuring they are uniform for consistent brining. Next, brine the cabbage by tossing it with 1/4 cup of salt. Let it sit for about 2 hours to draw out excess water. After brining, rinse the cabbage thoroughly under cold water to remove excess salt, then drain it well. Squeeze out any remaining water to prevent a watery kimchi. Now, it's time for the star ingredient, the kimchi paste. Add about 1 cup of your favorite kimchi paste to the cabbage. Use your hands, wearing gloves, to thoroughly mix the paste into every single piece of cabbage, ensuring an even coating. Once the cabbage is fully coated, pack it tightly into a clean, airtight jar. Press down firmly to remove air pockets, ensuring the cabbage is submerged in its own liquid. Leave about 1 inch of headspace at the top of the jar for expansion during fermentation. Store the jar at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for 1 to 3 days to begin the fermentation process. After the initial fermentation, transfer your kimchi to the refrigerator. This slows down the fermentation process and allows the flavors to deepen over time. Your homemade kimchi is now ready to enjoy as a side dish, in stews, or with rice. It will keep well in the refrigerator for several weeks, continuing to develop its complex flavors. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.